Good morning. Today I thought we'd take another little nature break, just a little bit different from some of the things that we've been working on. Today's theme is sitting by a forest stream. So during this meditation, I want you to just picture just a stream in the forest. It can be any season you like. It can be anywhere you like, or it can be just a place you make up in your imagination. As long as it's somewhere that's relaxing and peaceful to you, that you can just enjoy. So let's begin. Were you able to hear the trickle of the water over the rocks, the rustle of leaves or anything on the trees, even birds singing? Anything that sitting in the forest amongst nature can give you, whether it's sounds, smells, just feelings, anything at all. I know I feel really, really relaxed at the moment. I always enjoy spending time in nature, whether it's actually being outside in nature or whether it's meditating about nature. It makes me feel really, really connected. Thank you so much for stopping by today. And since it's New Year's Eve tonight, I want to take this time and say I hope you all have a happy New Year, and I wish you all the very best for 2018. And I look forward to the more meditations that we do together. I might be coming up with some new themes and new ways of doing things instead of daily. It may, I'm not going to give it away quite yet, but there'll be some changes, but there'll still be meditations that we can do together. So I look forward to it. Have a great day, everyone. Enjoy your New Year's Eve. If you're going out anywhere, be safe. And Happy New Year to you all. And I look forward to seeing you in 2018. Namaste.